Hello. This is my first ever YouTube live stream. I don't know how to tell who's watching, but apparently there are 2 other people watching. Feel free to say hello in the chat. So today I was kind of just planning on seeing if this worked, seeing if people were going to log in. Hi, Caden. The purpose of this was basically if students needed some help with their math, they could log into this, and I can. Hi, Nosheen. They could log in, and I can basically have a setup. It's very high tech. Let me show you what my setup was going to be. Super high tech. Uh-oh. So I have my iPad there. And I could work out problems. Math. Anyway, I know it's not super high tech, but although you might have received an email from Mr. Lacasse saying that they turned on your cameras on your Chromebooks. Has anybody actually tried that? And does it work? So since he turned those on, that might make this obsolete. So that if people needed tutoring, they could probably just do a Google Hangout with me individually. But I figured since I went through the effort of making the YouTube page, I don't know, I would at least try it. What have you guys been up to? Have you been doing all your schoolwork that's been posted for you? I'm sure Nosheen has. Yeah, it's very hard to focus here as well. I've got my son who's doing his homeschooling, so that's practically a full-time job for me. And I've got my pets here. Yeah, it's very difficult to actually focus on much of anything. I sent my son into the other room because I knew I was going to have hundreds and hundreds of people logging in to watch my super awesome live stream. But if you do have math work, feel free to send me an email and we can set up a Google Hangout. And if you need help, I can help you with it. Do you have a lot of pre-calc work, Nosheen? Oh, there's my dog. Very exciting. That's my dean of students. If my son gets out of line. Oh, Miss Prey is on. Woohoo. Anyway, unit circles. I was just showing them, Miss Prey, my super awesome setup. There's my tortoise tank. So I basically have my iPad like leaned in front of my Chromebook, and I can do math work. I don't know. It's very exciting. Unit circles and all that. So be careful what you type, Nosheen, because Miss Perea is in the chat as well. Oh, you can see that, I guess. Haha. I was considering just becoming a streamer of Minecraft videos and see if that would give me fame and fortune. It says there's 5 people watching. Wow. Who else is watching? Because I don't know if there's a way that I can tell. I don't know. It says there's 5 people watching. Why should you worry about the math teacher holding graph paper? Oh, these are great. She's definitely plotting something. What do you call a number that just can't keep still? A Roman numeral. Oh man, these are the best. Hey, Armand. Hey, Michaela. Like I was telling all these other guys, I did this to kind of see if anybody needed some math help, and they could send me their problems, and I could do it right here. Although I also mentioned that Mr. Lacasse turned on your cameras on your Chromebooks, so I might just do it that way. But I wanted to give this a try, just, I don't know, just to see. You guys who just joined, what have you guys been, actually for anybody, what have you guys been doing? Are you going stir crazy? I know for us, I was taking the dogs out on lots of walks, and then it snowed and got really cold. So we've just kind of been cooped up in the house. Regents review? Okay. I saw that Mr. Hernandez had posted some questions. Ooh, I'm up to 7 viewers. How many do I need before I can do this for a living? Hey, Deja. You just woke up and went straight to your live. Thanks. I appreciate it. Uh-huh. Okay. You just woke up. It's 1 o'clock. Things are going well. Like I was saying, it's just kind of, I mean, I don't know I'm basically not leaving my house. I think I went food shopping on Saturday, and that's about it. Yep, that's me. Hi, Pierre. Wow, I'm up to 8 whole viewers. This is super exciting. Ravid. Anyway, if you did have math questions, I know that. Let me ask you this, Pierre. Oh, Pierre. Well, you can see the chat. Do your Delta math. It's the only reminder you'll get. Ha. The home life as well. Oh, I'm totally famous. Home life as well. I'm doing a lot of homeschooling with my son. We've got this bin here. These are all the completed papers that he's done. Here, let's. So he's in 3rd grade. He's been reading analog clocks. What else? Multiplication, word problems. He's got these timed quizzes that he has to prepare for. They have like a minute, and if they get one question wrong, they fail it. So I'm doing lots of practice with that. I've been making him do writing. His teacher posted these writing prompts. So like today, what did he do today? Should students be able to have cell phones in class? This is what his assignment was. Anyway. So anyway, it's nice to talk to you guys. Does anybody have math questions? Are you guys all doing well? Because if you do, we can set up a time to just do a one-on-one, not FaceTime, but the Google Hangout. Because I don't know that this, do you think you could review the unit circle? Me? Oh, brother. What do you mean? Can you be more specific? How can students show you specific problems? Well, honestly, I think if I was going to do that, I would probably do it in a Google Hangout. Can I teach calculus? I'm going to have to refer you to Mr. Hernandez. Although he did set up a YouTube account. So I don't know how much help. That's the thing that I'm probably not going to be able to help you with. What kind of questions do you have? So Ms. Pere, in order for them, they would have to like email me it, and then I could, what I would do is I would have it on my iPad. So if somebody were to email me the work, I can So this little thing that I have set up here, I can go in there, and if somebody were to send me their work or take a picture, I could put it in here and put it on from my camera roll. But I don't know. I don't know that this is the most effective way to do this. I think, like I was saying, probably the Google Hangout would be easier. So this might be the one and only time that. Why was the fraction apprehensive about marrying the decimal? Probably. But I had already set this up. And then I got the email from Mr. Lacasse today about turning on the cameras. So I think it's already outdated because he would have to convert. Oh, that's good. Does anybody else have any math jokes? Who doesn't love math jokes? Why do plants hate math? Because it would give them square roots. Hilarious. Anyway, if nothing else, it's nice to talk to other humans other than my son and my wife. Why was the math book depressed? I don't know. Because he had a lot of problems. Oh. Oh. Benjamin's well. He's in the other room. I think he's on his Switch. I kicked him out of here because I don't know. What's going on with my chat? Oh, I just realized I was muted. I muted so that I could yell for Ben. Oh yeah, it's a picture of Barbaro, I think. I don't know. My wife likes horses. Why shouldn't you let advanced math intimidate you? I don't know. Is this a joke? It's easy as pie. Come on. Oh boy. Oh, do you want to say hello?
Hello?
There's the chat. Oh, wow. I'm super famous.
Yeah.
Look, Ben, I have 12 people watching.
Cool.
Ben, what's good?
A lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was telling them about all the math that we're doing and your homeschooling.
It's not math, Dad.
No, that's the writing prompts.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's been easier than normal school. 100%.
Ben, go get Captain. He'll be back. Oh my goodness. 14 people. Wow. Why should you never mention the number 228? I don't think he has a girlfriend yet. Here's the other one. There we go. Oh, he's not happy. Here we go. They asked if you have a girlfriend. The little dog's name is Captain Amazing. The big one is Carlotta, but that's the name that she came with. Somebody disliked my stream? How dare they? I don't even
figure out who it was.
How do I tell who it was?
You go at the end of the video you can.
Oh, really?
Keep it on YouTube.
Oh, okay.
If you keep it on YouTube, you can tell.
That's neat.
Where's the dislike?
I don't know. It doesn't show it on here.
Then how did you know?
I don't know. Maybe they can see it over here. Oh, no, that doesn't say that there's a dislike.
Like it. Like your own.
Oh, I'm going to like my own video.
Subscribe.
Yeah.
7 subscribers.
I know.
You have more subscribers than our real YouTube channel.
Yep. What's the craziest thing you've ever done at Hudson High School? Ooh, I don't know if you need to hear that.
Oh, yeah.
You mean coming late to class every day wasn't crazy enough? That's Pierre. He was late a lot to class. He's probably on time. He was probably on time for Miss Perret, though.
Good question.
What kind of question, Ben?
I don't know anything.
Oh, Pierre Rice. Oh my goodness. Was it Pierre Rice this whole time? Oh no, there's Pierre June there. There's 2 Pierres. Wow, that's crazy. Okay. Sorry. Pierre, I'm sorry that your play got postponed. Did they set up a new date yet, or do we think that's going to happen still? Yeah, yeah.
That's the one. Why?
Hmm.
That's what you called your video?
That's what I called it. I don't know.
So far, there hasn't been any math.
No, there hasn't been much math talk. We talked a little bit about math. So it's officially like canceled for good. That stinks.
Why do you have your headphones plugged into it?
I don't know. I thought maybe this mic would be better than just the mic on the Chromebook. I don't know.
You could use my fancy headset mic.
I
but you
could.
broke it.
Yeah. Well, that stinks. You would. I'm sure you were an excellent donkey.
Did you see all the tortoise?
Yeah, I think so.
Can I get it out?
Just leave it. There you go, Hassan. Make sure you do your Delta math.
Delta math?
Yeah, that's an online site for assigning work. Uh, how often do you guys check your email, your school email? Well, that's good.
What? No. Sure.
No Wi-Fi? Can we have a house tour? Oh boy.
Sure, I'll give one.
Doesn't it? Yeah, I don't know about the house tour.
I'll give an upstairs
I don't think
tour.
I made my bed.
So, everyone's bed is messy, Dad.
Yeah.
I can give the room tour.
Uh,
How would we do that, though? You're on a Chromebook.
yeah. Well, this room is I don't know what do we call this, Ben? There's my regular computer, which I'm also streaming on. Actually, I'm just watching it. There's Ben. There's the projector. There's the giant bear. Uh,
I wrestle the giant.
there's
bear.
the elliptical. It gets lots of use.
Totally.
Yeah, totally. There's the tortoise cage. You can't really see it. There's a bit of a glare.
I'm looking for other rooms.
Well, anyway, it was good to talk to all you guys. So the point of this originally was kind of because you guys' cameras didn't work, to kind of maybe do some math on here. And today was kind of a test run. But now that your cameras are working, probably Google Hangout would be better. So who knows if I'm going to do another one of these. But it is nice to just talk to people and see how everybody's doing. If you do have problems with your math, you can certainly send me an email and say, hey, Mr. Fay, I'm going to send you a Google Hangout at 9 o'clock tomorrow, and I would be happy to meet with you one-on-one, and we can go over everything. Nosheen, you said something about unit circles. If you really want me to talk about unit circles, we could do that. But probably the best way to do it, although this is neat if nothing else, is on Google Hangouts. So I guess I'll probably sign off. I don't know if I'm going to make my millions of dollars on YouTube. Oh, I'm up to 14 people. Wow. But it was good talking to everybody. Oh, thank you for doing this, Precalc people, now that your cameras are working. That's funny. All right, folks. Do your work. Email people. I've emailed a bunch of people, and like 2 of them got back to me. Bye-bye. Maybe I'll do another one next week for fun. Oh, what does that say? What is this? Oh, Ben wrote some problems. Bye-bye.